Hello, and welcome to Design Innovation. There is always an effort to continually manufacture things cheaper, faster, and better. Additive manufacturing is leading the way into a new era of manufacturing that turns traditional subtractive methods on its head. Engineers who are well versed in conventional manufacturing techniques may find themselves, a bit confused on how to use 3D printers or how to make the parts, or even what the machines are capable of producing. This is where the Design Innovation team steps in. The Design Innovation team has created an innovative method that combines a well-used and robust design process with additive manufacturing principles and techniques. Our new design method gives engineers the means to design for additive manufacturing. When people are trying to design a new product that meets or exceeds their customer demands, it is rare that this is accomplished by a single person with one clever idea. A truly good design requires some type of a system or a method that will instruct a group of people through all of the different phases of the design process. Additive manufacturing is sometimes dubbed the fourth industrial revolution. It is really opening the door to creating complex parts that can combine many different parts into a single piece. These machines can produce some incredibly complex structures that were previously impossible to make. But as powerful as these new machines are, they are not without their own set of caveats and limitations. This is where our design for additive manufacturing comes into play. First, we started with the UK Design Council's 4D method. This is a very adaptable design model that offers a design team a strategy, sort of a way to progress through the entire evolution of product development. The 4Ds has 4 key phases, which is discover, define, develop, and deliver. All of these phases have a focused exploration that really dives into each aspect of the design process. Every phase uses either a convergent or a divergent way of thinking. So depending on what phase you are in, you will find yourself either looking at every possible angle and gathering every bit of information you can, or you will be trying to narrow all of that information into a very precise definition or hone in on a single prototype to bring it to production.
As you saw from the previous slides, the design innovation process has several phases, and each phase includes objectives, specific methods, and principles that guide activities which lead to desired outcomes. One of the challenging aspects of a design process is to have a structured steps and guidelines that is needed to understand and frame the problem in an approachable way. Design Innovation Framework is a basic structure of the entire design process that provides focus and support to execute the project. It consists of design processes, methods, principles, and learning modules, including all associated files of different formats and links, all in one user-friendly interface. For this, we chose a software called Mind Manager, which allows concepts, project, or plan into structured and interactive visual maps that make information easy to understand, adapt, and share. This framework starts with the introductory video that provides some background information and shows how to use the framework. It then provides information about the design innovation process incorporating additive manufacturing, followed by the 4 design process in sequence. Topics and subtopics within the process have files or links associated with it, which provides the details including the learning modules. The file information can be viewed by hovering the mouse over the file icon. By clicking the icon, information on the preview window is pulled up. From the preview window, the document can be made full screen for easy reading. Learning modules, represented by the rectangular boxes, cover a key subset of the design methods, guiding the user on how to execute them. It includes an overview of the method, procedures, best practices, tools, or demo video and examples. To conclude, this framework and its content is the final product that Design Innovation team has developed from this Capstone project.